Hey, it's Ryan from Combat Off-Road. I want to take the opportunity to show you guys the differences between our original aluminum inner fender with our new Flow Inner Fender. So the original part number is going to be for the JT, it'll be 35-1066 for the front, and the Flow is going to be 35-1266 for the front. So major difference, it's all in the name, Flow. So basically we have a heat relief in the front part. We have a heat relief in the middle part. That's going to be double the heat exhaustion out of the engine bay, especially when it's hot out and we're going slow on the trails. Our original had the heat relief at the front, but we had our removable backing plate that you can theme paint. And we originally had all our hardware was stainless steel, but not coated in black. All our new inner fenders moving forward and the Max Air have stainless steel hardware, but they're also coated black. We still have a removable logo, but it's quite a bit smaller. So it really depends on what you want to do. Do you want a lot of heat relief? Do you need that? Are you on the trails going slow? Is it hot where you are? Or do you do a lot of four-wheeling in the summer? It kind of depends on what makes the most sense for you, but you still have a nice logo with the removable backing plate. If you feel like, you know what, I like the big logo, I like the color theme, like I said, you can theme paint the other one, but you know, a lot of people gravitate to the big logo. Some people want smaller logos. Some people want a lot more heat relief. So it's kind of up to you. We just like to give our customers the option and give you a reason to buy a product rather than just buy it for no reason at all. So heat relief, logo, big logo, heat relief. Everything else dimensionally is the same. Yeah, that's really about it. What do you guys think? Jump it in the comments. Thanks.